To have you guys here. You are with AsiaBiome.
That's right.
Okay, and I'm excited about talking to. I'm excited to talk to you guys just because this explosion in the gut biome market.
That's right.
You're using gut microbiome to get to the root causes of IBS, autism, ALS, multiple sclerosis, with the focus on the Asian market, right?
That's right.
Awesome. So what we like to do at Startup Health TV is we like to start with that big picture question. We like to start with your health moonshot. Kind of what's that big audacious goal that you're going after? So what is that for AsiaBiome?
Yeah, well, I think for AsiaBiome, we really identify with like what you said about the biome creating or causing a root imbalance in so many diseases. So our moonshot is to cure the dysbiosis, which is an imbalance of gut bacteria, and hope to help conditions of autism and diabetes and multiple sclerosis, like you mentioned, and IBS. So we're very excited to embark on this challenge and hope that in the next 25 years we'll see several of these products and drugs that we help discover on the market and helping people feel better.
So there's a number of microbiome companies, health startups in the market, but you're embarking into the Asian market. So what was it about that market that felt so important?
Well, we're not exactly bringing cures to the Asia market. We're actually finding discoveries from the Asia bacteria of humans.
Gotcha.
So there's a lot of companies in the microbiome space. They're researching U.S., Europe, etc. But there's not so many players in Asia. So we're one of the few and absolutely one of the first to be in the research space there. So we've got several people on the ground following clinical trials, following various clinics, and really looking for the key microbes that make a difference for different disease conditions.
Okay. Would you say you're in, are you in like a research phase right now, kind of figuring out what those cures could be, and then sort of teeing that up for the next phase?
Yeah, so with our company, we've put together a really unique business model which combines offline clinical data and results with online bioinformatics and cloud analysis. So what that means is we're looking at the unique ecology of microbes in Asia, as well as the unique epidemiologies of the Asian continent, and figuring out what kind of microbes have therapeutic potential, and then understanding what those microbes are doing and if they can apply to treating disease globally. And we're excited that we've now actually developed a pipeline with microbes that have some known or even demonstrated therapeutic effect in diabetes, irritable bowel syndrome, and autism.
Yeah. I'm just curious to know, where do you see the microbiome industry going in the next few years?
Well, the biggest milestone for the microbiome industry coming up is going to be the first FDA approval of a microbiome drug, and we predict that happening in the next 12 to 18 months. It'll probably be for the treatment of recurrent C. difficile. What's amazing is that C. difficile, an infection which affects over 500,000 people a year in the US alone, has an only 30% treatment rate with traditional medicine. But with the advent of microbiome, now patients can experience an over 90% cure rate from using microbiota as a drug. And so if that's what we can do with C. difficile, imagine when we're taking a look at diabetes, at autism, even neurological conditions such as Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, the potential treatment and curative rates could be through the roof.
I can speak from experience that actually a microbiome treatment saved my grandmother's life of C. diff. And I saw it myself. I saw her go from nearly dying to it saving her life in a 48-hour period.
It's amazing.
And so that's partly why I'm so excited about the work that you're doing and for the potential of it. Just even having seen it one time, I think there's just amazing potential there. So what's one thing in 2020 that we can be looking forward to from AsiaBiome that you're really excited about?
So in 2020, we're going to be filing our first investigational new drug application to bring a probiotic which treats diabetes to the market.
Awesome. Well, I think that's all the time we have. Really excited that you're here. Hope the next couple of days of the Startup Health Festival are really fruitful for you. And yeah, and this sparks collaborations and some new things for you guys.
We're
all right?
excited.
All
Yeah,
right.
thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
for your
you.
time.